Good morning. I'm William Talianisich. I'm an instructor here at TSTC. I teach all the comps and all the literatures. I'm taking these courses. First, they're free if we pass the class. Two, I work on online courses and I like learning from these real online instructors. I've learned so much in their presentation of the courses, and I'm learning a lot about digital media also, and they're free. And I teach my students to be lifelong learners. And so I like to practice what I preach. And so I'm taking these classes to keep learning and to keep growing, avoid the stagnation of the mind. I have a master's and I finished the coursework for my doctorate in educational leadership. I wrote 2 dissertations, and these classes are by far harder than anything I've ever done. Those were easy and they were in my field. I'm liking it to Calculus 2, which is one of the courses I took when I was a computer science major. Once again, I'm Bill. I have 5 kids, a wife, 2 rescue dogs, you gotta throw in the rescue, and a hamster. And I live in Brownsville, Texas. I work in Harlingen, and I'm all over the valley, eating and having fun. I like to go to concerts. On February 15th, I'm going to go see Foo Fighters at the Fillmore in New Orleans, and I'm taking the wife. And in March, my wife has a dinner with Lisa Vanderpump from Vanderpump Rules. And so those are kind of the vacations we have planned for this semester. Thank you very much.